So a customer called Lightfoot because they had a small electrical fire, as you can see here. Electrical fire was caused by this 50-year-old panel. It doesn't trip, so when there's a short in the system, it doesn't turn itself off like a newer panel would. I gave the customer estimates to fix the problem. Customer went with a new panel. We're going to put some surge protection in it. We're going to also replace the meter base from where the municipal electricity comes from.